Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is I think the 26th of September and I just wrote my last exam, which was physics paper 2. I'm so excited that the prelims are done now, and next week Monday we are going to be checking our results already. Crazy. Anyways, and oh yeah, and tomorrow is my club's netball tournament, so I'm going to be playing at the netball tournament at my club tomorrow. And also the Springboks are playing tomorrow, I think against Argentina. I think it's Argentina. Sorry if I'm wrong, but it's Argentina. And then it's going to be spring break for me because I'm not going to go to school the whole week. I'm just going to go to school the Monday for my marks. Then bye school. Then I'm going to come back for finals. So yeah. Good morning guys. It's currently like something 6 o'clock and I have to wake up early because I have my netball tournament today. I'm actually so tired, I don't want to go, but I made a commitment to go, so we're gonna have to go and it's gonna be a long day. So I just finished getting ready and now I'm going to my club to glow. Anyways, so I'm wearing a black top underneath this, and then this is just for like if it gets cold. Then I'm wearing a black tights with my white socks and my Birkies, my little Birkies. So yeah, I'm gonna leave now. Okay, so guys, we just finished our second game. Yeah. And we won. We're shining so bad, we're sweating so much. Yeah. Always the fact that we're just glowing so much, you know.
Vivi, why do you drive automatic?
Automatic is nice.
I was tired of driving
the manual because of the gears are so irritating.
Manual, so you can know how to drive properly. My problem was I hiked too much, and after hiking an 8-hour hike,
you deserve it.
Hey team, so today we are coming to buy something like a snack.
Yeah.
But we need to go all through,
So we're buying groceries. But we're playing in an hour and a half, so that's...
Yeah, and we're kind of skipping on now.
Not my problem.
So guys, we finished our third game. We won that one also. But those people were really elbowing. And I didn't. The person that elbowed me.
hi Vivi. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here.
black top from Shein. This pants is from Cotton On, and then my mommy got me these shoes. I don't know where she got them. I don't know if you saw it, but these shoes. And then I'm just wearing normal white socks. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my whole outfit in the mirror. So this is my OOTD. Super cute, super cute. And I forgot to tell you guys, you may use flat on my word. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm going to my friend's house now. And that's why I got ready. I didn't really do too much. You know, I go to school's tomorrow. So yeah. Let's go, let's go. I think you can just get it. No, put it back. Around thing. Wait, how much? What's this next? Extremely. Somebody's getting elections. Yes, she shot the weapon, which I found so funny. Guys, it's control day today at school, so we're gonna be checking marks today, and my skin is so like shiny, but I don't mind it today. So yeah, it's the day of the day, same as yesterday. Not too shabby, but see you guys later. That would have been so funny. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, period. Period. Mine's like the same. That's good though. Hey guys, so it's the 30th of September today, and my friend invited us over to her house because like she was like it was gonna be like 32 degrees today, which it is quite hot. But the weird thing is that at the beach it's like not warm. It's kind of windy at the beach. It's like a difference in maybe like 7 degrees or something like that, which is actually a lot. So then we were like, yeah, we're gonna let's do something today. And also I have to leave earlier because my sister has like a performance thing at school for her dance. Like she takes it as a subject. Me too, by the way. I also did this, but she takes it as a subject, so I'm gonna go watch it today. And I actually really like their costume because their costume is much more like innovative than what I used to do because I was not in the mood. Oh, and I did like cornrows on my head. They might not be the best, but it's because I did them before I slept and I was rushing through them. And I low-key didn't want to do like 7 rows because I have 7 rows. But they look better than the 6 rows, and the middle rows were like much neater than they usually would be. So yeah, this is the OOTD. So I have this black top from Shein, Bather from Shein, and then I have these shorts from Legit, and then white socks from Shein, shoes also from Shein. So I'm just in my Shein girly era right now. When I shop for pants, I shop in person, but when I shop for tops, I shop on Shein because they have a bigger variety than what I see in stores. And I know my size. Usually I'm a size small, medium if it's like a not stretchy vibe. But yeah, so yeah. So guys, I'm currently on the way. And it's actually so hot. The car is saying it's 33 degrees right now. It's actually insane. Okay now guys, so we're on our way to watch my sister perform. She performs in like maybe 15 minutes. It's my mama. Yeah, so we're gonna go watch her now.
Wat ver legal.
I'm going to the beach tomorrow and it's not going to be like really hot, so I'm not really going to swim. I don't really plan to swim because I don't really plan to swim. So I'm just going to go there to do pretty because beach days are always cute. And yeah, I know my hair looks really weird right now, but it's just like I want to just do something that makes my hair looks nice tomorrow. And I also want to do my lashes because I might take really nice pictures tomorrow. But what I'm gonna do now, oh my gosh, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stretch my hair because my hair, as you can see, has a lot of shrinkage. Like, look how long my hair actually is, and then look how much it shrinks. Like this part, the way you're seeing it now is stretched out. But if you see it like really short, like how these curls here are on top, it's like so bad. That's why my hair looks like this. But anyways, I'm gonna be stitching my hair and I'm gonna be doing my lashes. I think I'm gonna do them today because I don't want to do them tomorrow. But thing is, tomorrow I have to wake up and like wash my face properly. But I think that will be fine, honestly, you know. Okay, hey guys, so I did my hair. I just like braided my hair down so that it would stretch, and I used the hair dryer to dry it a little bit because I used like hair stuff on it. Anyway, so now it's time to move on to my lashes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in lashes because without lashes I look very bare. Here are my lashes, like they just all over. I actually have a lot left, but the reason why the bottom rows are so full is because those are like the longest lashes, and I'm not really a big fan of the longest lashes unless like someone does them for me. And even if someone does it for me, I go for like a 9 to 14 length, you know what I mean? I don't go 16. 16 will literally touch you, bro. Like, I don't need my lashes to be that long, you know. And I was kind of contemplating putting on my press-on nails, because I have press-on nails. And the thing about doing your lashes is that you actually have to like open your eye. Like, does that even make a difference on me though? I think I just need to layer it up more, because honestly I like the dramatic lashes. I'm more of a dramatic lash girly, if you know me, but not like dramatic to the point where it looks like I stuck hair to my face, you know. And my music just stopped, but it's fine. I'm not gonna keep on going back there for the music. I'm merely here to please all 46 of you. I love all 46 of you. Tomorrow it might be 45, tomorrow it might be 47, you never know, so just let me know. Because I also try to post shorts. Oh, they're playing a nice song. I also try to post shorts because I don't just want to be the girl that vlogs, I want to be the girl that has like TikTok and shorts, you know, just not like vlogs, videos, you know. This is actually so dangerous the way I'm doing my lashes, but I think a natural look would be cute because it's just so natural, and I don't think I hate it. Man, that means I can keep it longer because, oh, but I'm not really going to school next week to go to school. Next week Tuesday is my valedictory at my high school, and then next week Wednesday is the reunion at my primary school, and I don't really need to be a posh school child, you know. I can still have some holiday vavavoom, you know what I mean. Hi guys, so we're on the way to the beach now. What's on your phone? Yeah, but that's on your name. And the girlies are looking very pretty.
Kina takes over Izzy's vlog. Today we are. Oh shit, you probably said that. This is us.
Hi guys.
It's fine.
Hi guys. Look at Sian, a mermaid tail. How cute.
Hey guys, I'm just lying on the beach. As you can see, I'm just lying on the beach. And I don't know why the camera isn't focusing. I'm so tired.
So guys, we're on a mission. We want to see if the water will glow. Right, Kina? I say I want to see if the water will glow. Let's see if the water will glow.
So guys, I am at the shops and I'm printing a design for my school shirt. I'm going to school on Tuesday. Tuesday is my valedictory, so they're gonna sign shirts. So I'm gonna get people to sign my shirt. The music man, I'm gonna get copyright. So my shirt is done, not even 30 minutes later. Got the goods, got the goods. Hey guys, so I just washed my hair and I just blow dried my hair for valedictory tomorrow. Wow, I have long hair. My hair is so long. All I have to do is braid it. Wow, my lashes are like still lashing. All I have to do is like cornrow what I mean, and then install and then curl my installation wig, whatever. So I finished cornrowing my hair. This is the product. And I was watching Scream while doing this.